What up mga subscribers na? So yun ngayon after ilang weeks yata hindi ako nakapag-upload guys, no? Sobrang busy lang po talaga guys, as in sobrang busy po, no? Kaliwat kanan po yun, tinuturuan ako ng sayaw, as in sobrang dami po talaga. Sabi nga sa sarili ko, nagkakayanin ko ba to, as in sobrang dami po, as in meron ako tinuturuan isang 10 days pala guys, 10 days akong halos walang upload, no? Grabe, parang ngayon lang nangyari to. Hindi ako sanay. Usually siguro 1 week yan, ganyan, pero 10 days halos ngayon lang nangyari sa akin to guys, na yan, kaliwat ka tinuturuan ko. Meron pa ako na remix in total guys, halos nasa 5 po yung tinuturuan ko po talaga, na including pa meron akong isang nire-remix na kanta na nagpaparemix na sila ng kanta. Grabe. Ayan, nakapag video na, hindi pa rin naman tapos, pero kasi ngayon 2 na lang po yung tinuturuan ko, no? Ayan, yan. Nakaraan 5, hindi kayang pagsabayan, as in uuwi na ako dito para matulog. Ganun siya katindi guys, no? Ganun siya katindi, no? Ayan, okay. Guys, ito papanoorin po natin ay itong, syempre tingnan mo tayo ng update sa SB19, no? Wala talaga akong wala akong idea. Kahit cellphone guys, ang tanging ko lang moment talaga yun, no? Tanging time ko lang talaga is pagka uwi ko, magre-remix ako ng audio, gagawa ng sayaw, choreography, yun, ganyan. Sa mga tinuturuan ko, ng mga corporate, no? Dami. Kailangan grind eh. So yun guys, papanoorin na. Siyempre hingi tayo ng update kay Miss O, no, sa ating mahaliman, no? Okay? Pero comment kayo down below. Baka meron ako mga na-miss pa po, no, ng mga videos, performances, or kung ano man, no? Comment down below guys na tara, panoorin po natin itong video ng SB19. Title po nito ay More and More Taiwanese Share Their Appreciation and Amazement to SB19. Okay? Ano na ito?
More and more Taiwanese share their...
Okay, let's go. Very big shout kay Miss O guys,
More and more Taiwanese share their appreciation and amazement to SB19 on ACON 2025. So here are more of the Taiwanese reaction to SB19. Yesterday, Akon really just went to see our 80s house yesterday, but the midfield was attracted by the SB19 first. I have to confess to our captain Kim Hong-jung first. Turn on like SB19 mode. Never heard of SB19 albums and watched their stage before yesterday, but they really burned the whole place. Not just singing, the stage atmosphere and control field are really strong. And the best part is really to take full care of all the stages around. Really high enough to scream broken throat. And friends finished yesterday and ready to search for tickets to see the special show.
Isa sa maganda kasi for me guys, isa sa mga strengths ng SB19 na pag nagpa-perform sila is talagang all out po talaga sila, no? Like kunyari, hindi lang sila magi-stay sa isang stage. Kung sabihin natin stage yan na ganyan lang, marami siya, like pa-square siya or diamond siya, pwede kang umikot. I-maximize po ng SB19 yan, no? Believe me guys, ganyan ang gagawin ng SB19 sa mga concerts nila. If given a chance, yung stage na pag-perform nila is iba yung setup, no? I-maximize nila. Like kunyari, gagawa sila ng blockings na para dun sa area na yon, dito na i-maximize nila. Hindi sila katulad ng ibang performers na kunyari merong special setup yung stage, no? Tapos ayun, no, doon lang sila sa gitna, hindi nila i-maximize yung stage, no? Like ganun. SB19 hindi guys, talagang bina-maximize nila, napaka-playful nila pag nagpe-perform po talaga sila, no? Talagang malalaro yung utak mo, hindi lang yung utak mo, pati yung mata mo, pati po talaga yung sa LED screen. Marami silang gagawin talaga guys, sobrang grabe, sobrang package pag nag-perform talaga.
Really loved their full stage show yesterday. I want to be bombed by SB19 with yesterday Akon. People who feel like they are about to go into the pit or already in the pit say you may be unable to help but want to listen to them all the time on the stream or look for all kinds of videos of their past. Now all reactions are normal because I met them at Hito in June this year too, and then in less than a week I'm done with 5 stages of the pit. Now I'm an 18 lying at the bottom of the pit. This dance break is really good enough. I must let more people see it. Headphones listen to the official videos. People don't realize they're out there with the music of the groups. My colleagues should think I'm getting sick. Put on a video. SB19's stage design really need to press 100 likes. 360 degrees in one song serve everyone on the scene. It's like the first half of the show was so high. The energy on the spot is really too strong. The pit I fall deeper and deeper. SB19 scene is really good to see, very incredible. This is the right way to use the four-sided platform in my mind, and the whole stage is easy to see. Even if not on the front side, it can. If you want to dance, you need to sing and sing. Rapper sound is also great. Justin, I remember you because you are so cute.
Guys, rapper sound is also great. Tandaan nyo guys, no? Hindi porket nagbibigkas ka ng words, ng words na sobrang bilis. Kaya syempre pag rapper ka guys, no, hindi siya normal na kanta na kunyari itong sinasabi niya, no. Yan, and the whole stage is easy to see even if not front side, no. Pag syempre pag singer ka, no, and the whole stage is easy to see. Parang ganun lang siya kabagal. Pero pag rapper ka, and the whole stage is easy to see even if not on the front side. Parang ganun siya, no. Mabilis siya guys, no. Parang ilang words siya per seconds, no. Mabilis po talaga siya, no. And ito, sabihin ko sa inyo, no, hindi po lahat. Ito guys, nakuha ko lang dito sa mga idol ko sa rap industry guys, no, sa rap music po, no. Hindi lahat kaya maging rapper po talaga, no. Bilang lang po talaga, no. O sige, pwede nyo kantahin, pero ang pagiging rapper po guys, depende yan guys kung clear mo mapaparating yung meaning, and kung klaro ba yung words pag binibigkas mo siya, no? Kasi mabilis yan eh. And kung klaro like pag pinakinggan ng tao yan, tapos sobrang clear, ibig sabihin talagang your formula, isa yun sa mga qualifications na bilang isang rapper po, no. Isa yan sa mga qualifications, no. So yun, no, yung SB19 pag nag-rap po talaga sila guys, hindi nila kinakain yung words, hindi nila parang awkward pakinggan, no. Talagang may intindihan mo talaga yung words kung ano sasabihin nila pag nag-rap po talaga sila, no.
Nothing has heard of SB19 songs and don't know much about them. But today, I was just crushed. That's ridiculous. The stage is so in control, the scene is so fried, the viewing is so strong, the contagious. Singing or dancing is great, love it so much. Especially love this unifying pudding head. Little Ken, I really love you so much I cry. I will love you for the rest of my life with all of my heart being seen. I didn't cry during the special concert, but I cried straight to the rehearsal music. SB19, you all really the best. I really love you all. So proud of you all. Thank you all for taking the stage so seriously every time. You shine on the stage. You are really dazzling. But also, have a good rest please. Your trip is really exhausting. So glad you guys have a lot of people. Now I'm afraid I won't get tickets for the concert later.
No? Isa rin yan guys, no? Kailangan ng pahinga rin ng SB19 at the same time, no? Pero syempre, once the entertainment, hindi nila hayaan na talagang sobrang ma-drained ang SB19, no? Sige, sunod-sunod yan, pero bibigyan na rin ng time ang SB19 para makabuelo rin, no. Mahirap pag na-drain ng isang artist, kasi pag na-drain ng isang artist guys, believe me, no, baka mag-result yan sa pagtigil nila sa career po talaga, no, sa pinapersonal lang passion, no. Kahit sino pa yan guys, so may ganun, no. So magaling mag-handle ng Onesie Entertainment, no. And iba rin kasi talaga yung passion talaga ng SB19 sa trabaho nila, as in, sobrang professional, and sobra yung kumbaga yung burning passion nila sa kanilang ginagawa, no, which is yan, pagkanta, pagsayaw, pagpa-perform po talaga, no, paggawa ng kanta, lahat guys. Grabe yung passion nila, no. Kaya for me, matagal pa yung yung iniisip ng iba siguro na magre-retire ng SB19. Sobrang tagal pa po guys, no. Sa ngayon guys, sobrang lakas pa po ng apoy pa po ng SB19, no. For me, hindi pa siya namamatay, hindi rin humihina. Ganun yung nakikita ko guys.
Please don't promote SB19 anymore. The next time they come to Taiwan for a concert, I want to grab tickets. Keep increasing the number of fans. Makes it harder to get tickets. Didn't get it this year. I saw the sound pressure of SB19, the strongest in the first half of the game. The red-haired high note was amazing. The airfield was super fried. I love the style too much. The strongest male group in the Philippines.
Strongest male group. Actually, agree guys. Sobrang lakas talaga ng SB19, no? Iba po yung aura, iba talaga yung pinapakita na pagdating sa as in sa musikang Pinoy po talaga, no? Talagang for me, winawagay-way every time nagpe-perform sila sa ibang bansa, talagang ibang level yung pinapakita po talaga nila, no? as in dala-dala nila yung bandera ng Pilipinas. So nakaka-proud syempre, no? Kahit sino naman magiging proud sa mga ganong klaseng bagay, no? Kayo ba, hindi ba kayo nagiging proud sa ginagawa ng SB19, no? Lahat naman tayo nagiging proud sa ginagawa ng SB19, no? So yun, I hope na na-enjoy natin tong, yan, yung concert nila, no? Sobrang solid po talaga, no? Yun, panoorin ko, meron daw pong twist yung dance break, guys, no? Meron daw po, no? Panoorin natin yan, guys, no? Yan, kung may pa rin kayong mga request na videos, guys, comment lang kayo down below, no? So, ayun lang, maraming salamat syempre sa panonood ng video na to, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para alam nyo pag mag-release ng bagong video. So, this is Point of It signing out. Peace. Let's cheer.